Hey everyone, welcome back to day 5 of your 30-day Pilates journey. Yesterday we did upper body only Pilates, so today we're going to even it out with some lower body only Pilates. We're going to go ahead and get started standing on the center of your space, so let's get started. And the camera's going to cut off half my body, but that's okay. You kind of get the gist here. What I want you to do is walk your legs pretty wide apart and bring your hands onto your hips, and just take a moment to make sure that you're looking straight ahead and your spine is stacked straight up and down. And we're just going to turn the toes out to the side to about a 45-degree angle, nothing too crazy. You don't want to be like straight out to the side here. So from here, we're going to bend the knees over the toes, taking a squat, an open squat, and then stand up tall. Now what I want you to avoid is going forward with your torso. Try to keep it straight up and down so your tail is pulling underneath you. And we'll stand up. Let's do that a couple more times. Bend down, stand up, bend down, and squeezing your seat at the top. Knees go over the toes, even weight through the feet. And down. Let's go for 5 more. Down and up and 4 and up and 3 and up. Last 2 and up. 1 more time and up. Now squat down to your lowest point and hold. We'll pulse it out. Down, going down. Think down, down, down. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand tall. I hated every second of that. Let's bring the toes forward a little bit closer together. Now this time we're going to squat down so your torso can pitch forward as you go, like you're trying to sit on an imaginary chair behind you. We'll squat down and up, but you want to make sure that you're not curling under with your spine. You're keeping your tailbone stuck out behind you, like you're trying to find that imaginary chair behind your seat. Down and back up and down and back up. Let's go for 2 more. Lower and a lift. 1 more time. Lower, hold it, and we take it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stand up. Okay, enough of that. Let's go ahead and roll down or come down to your mat here. And we're gonna lie down on the stomach and do a couple of hamstring curls. So I want you to face down, walk your legs together, and then rest your forehead on your hands. From here, the heels will glue together, and we're just gonna bend the knees and squeeze your seat so that your hip bones press down into the floor. From there, you're going to lift your kneecaps off, maybe an inch, so they're floating up, but I want you to really zip up your jacket here so that you're not dumping into your low back. From here, you're going to pull your heels in closer, keeping them glued together. So you're going to pull in actually as much as you can. And then let's take the legs all the way out to straight, keeping the heels glued and keeping your kneecaps floating. So we'll reach, and then the legs are straight. And then we'll do that again. Pull in, knees are still lifted. Squeeze your heels into your seat and reach out to straighten out. 3 more times. In, and out, out, out. 2 more times. In, and out, out, out. 1 more time. In, and out, out, out. Good. Now rest your legs. Shake that out a little bit. Good. From here, we're just going to prop up onto the elbows so that your chest is pulled forward. And when you're in this position, I want you to think of punching your fists down so that your hands are weighted more than your elbows. And now you're still squeezing your glutes, making sure those hip bones are flush to the floor, abs are in and up. And now we're going to do a single leg hamstring curl. You'll kick in, and reach. In, and reach. This is called a single leg kick. And reach it, and the left side, in, and reach. Let's go a little bit faster. In, reach, in, reach. Now I want you to think of keeping your upper body undisturbed as you kick through the legs. Let's go to the right side again, the left side, 1 more each way. In, and rest. Now, We'll take it back into a little stretch, hips back to heels. And then go ahead and lie down on one side for a quick side kick series. So you're going to stack your legs one on top of the other. Prop yourself up on your elbow here with a kickstand arm for balance. Now the top leg will lift up an inch, and we're just going to start right away with some circles. We'll go around and up, around and up. And I want you to brush your heels together with each circle. Keep going. Yes, and we'll take it up and up and up. Now, think of lifting from your bottom side. We're still going the first direction. Once we hit 20, right here, we'll reverse it for 20 times, around and up, and a 3, and a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now with toes up, we kick up to the sky for 5, down with control, and 4. Eyes straight ahead for a 3, and a lower, and a 2, and a lower, one more time, up and down. Now internally rotate the leg. We're just going to take some small lifts, up and down. That heel is leading the way, and you're getting right into the center of your butt. Up and down. We won't do too many more because it burns. And lower. Let's go 2 more times. Lift and lower. 1 more. We're up and we're back down. Now we'll bring the knees into the chest. Push yourself up. Flip your legs around and then lower yourself back down. Now your toes are slightly in front of you as we take that top leg and we circle it around for 20 times. 2 and a 3 and a 4. Now I want you to think of reaching that leg out. And a 8 and a 9. You're on 10 to reverse. No, don't reverse. Keep going 10 more. I forgot what I was doing while I was doing it. Let's go for 5 and a 4 and a 3 and a 2 and a 1. Now you get to reverse 20 times. 2 and 3 and 4. Don't speed up. You'll just do more. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9. Good Lord. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Now we kick up. 5, lower. 4, lower. Your toes are still facing up. And 2, and 1. Internally rotate. Heel leads the way. We lift up, back down. This is probably smaller than the other one. It's right in the middle of the butt. And it burns like hell. 2 more times. Lift, lower. 1 more time. Up, back, down. Bring your knees in. Bring yourself up. And then we're going to take it onto the back with the feet stepping on the mat for some awesome shoulder bridges here. I want you to bring your big toes together, ankles together, knees together. Just a little body check. Make sure you're centered. Then you'll open your toes to a V and then bring your heels in line so that you're like a fist width distance apart with your feet. That's your pro tip on how to separate your feet. And now we'll press down into the feet and lift up into your bridge. And now from here, I want you to keep your right foot on the floor and bring your left knee into your chest. Then you're just going to set it down. And we'll switch. So it's like you're marching. And your lower leg on the lifting leg is just dead weight. But I want you to keep your hips even as you do this. So feel like you're pistoning that foot down into the floor to keep your hips stable and steady. Let's do 1 more each side. Left leg up, right leg up. Now let's bring the left leg up and hold it and extend that leg up. We'll hold it 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, the butt cheek and the hamstring. This is so good. 4, 3, 2. Put the foot down. Other side. Reach up, extend. 9. You're holding 8. Your chest expansioning. The abs are tight. And a 4, and a 3, and a 2, and a 1. 2 feet on the mat, and then lower yourself on down with control. Hug your knees in for a moment and then flip on over to your stomach. We're going to take the hands and rest them on the forehead again. So from here, let's float the legs up off the mat. The knees are straight. And you're going to clap your heels together 20 times. So we go for 20. And 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold your legs up. Now your legs are going to go for a swim. And if it helps you to lift your head up a little bit, you can. It helps me. And the legs get higher and the upper body's not moving, guys. It is not moving. Keep pulling your abdominals in and then hold your legs steady. 20 more beats with the inner thighs. Heels clap together 20 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And go for a swim with your legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 20 more claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs are long. Keep swimming. We'll swim. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And done. Sit back onto your heels. Let that stop burning for a second. Take your stretch. Take a couple of deep breaths. Whew. All right. And now you are all done for your day 5. That's lower body only for your 30-day Pilates journey. I will see you tomorrow for day 6.